For the first time ever, astronauts have orbited directly over the north and south poles of the Earth. This is footage from the Fram 2 mission by SpaceX. Orbiting around the north and south pole, what's the big deal? Usually when you launch something into space, it has an equatorial orbit. The thing to remember here is the Earth is a spinning globe. That means that the equator must necessarily be moving faster than the poles to complete one revolution in the same amount of time. This means that if you launch something from the equator, you get a boost. It helps you get it into orbit. So a polar orbit is no small feat. When I see this, what really strikes me is the sheer size of the Earth. You could spend your entire life trying to see every mountain range and desert, reef, ocean, and you could just never see it all. The Earth is too big. It's just too big. You wouldn't have enough time. When we think about the planets that we find out in our galaxy, realize that the Earth is actually small. It has to be considered a small planet. The vast majority of planets that we find are so much larger than Earth, we literally call them super Earths. And then the step up from that is mini Neptune, sub Saturns, and Jupiter sized gas giants. This enormous blue and white marble that has life integrated into the crust and the atmosphere and the water, this just enormous ball of life it's really tiny when you compare it to most of the planets that we know about in the Milky Way. It just blows my mind.